I'm gonna introduce y'all to one of the best people ever here at Southwestern. Miss Ella. What's up, Miss Ella?
Hey, baby, how you doing this morning?
I'm doing great now.
What day is it?
It's Wednesday.
I love faculty, staff, and I love the students, and I love for the new prospective students to come because I like to greet them on Friday and tell them welcome to Southwestern and stuff. I love Southwestern. 20 years. Friday! Thank you! Football. Christmas time, because we have a good break and a long break. 17 years ago, I lost my son, and Southwestern was here for me. And I always, will remember that. I know, it makes me sad to talk about it, but y'all was here for me, and I always have that in my heart. And it'll always be there. Southwestern is like my family. And they was there with me through it all. And then I lost my daughter like 7 years ago, and they were still here with me. I love Southwestern. The faculty, the staff, the students, I just love all of y'all.